Welcome to the Sargent William H. Carney Jr. Memorial Homestead. The house was built in 1855 by John W. Williams. Mr. Williams was the father-in-law of Sergeant William H. Carney, who lived here with his wife Susanna and daughter Clara. The house stayed in the Carney family until 1939, when it was purchased by Elizabeth Carter Brooks, who sold it to Martha Briggs Educational Club. It's been owned by Martha Briggs Educational Club since 1939. We are stewards of the home. We also provide scholarships to high school students. And all the details are pretty much original to the house. It hasn't had any major restorations. We've completed exterior restoration on the house, but we're getting ready to work on interior restoration.